Hey, but yeah, y'all know y'all seen the videos. I'll definitely be sure to put them in the description. But I ran across another video today. As you see, I'm gonna do an update video on it too. As far as the liquid compost, me saying what it do to the plants and things like that. I seen a video on overwintering, so I'm gonna kind of do an experiment. I got two branches from my big tie hybrid plant. One I'm gonna leave the leaves on just to see where it goes. The other one I'm gonna overwinter. I tried to keep it because if you see his peppers on there, but I'm just gonna cut them. Whatever happens, happens. See if they survive or go. But yeah, just gonna do these low attempts. See what happens. Basically, I'm gonna cut all the branches off. See if it regenerates itself. See if it grows new leaves and things. And yeah. Excuse me. Cleanse my eyes. But basically, I'm just gonna see what happens on the overwinter. Got a couple peppers on there. Win some, you lose some. Hey, but yeah, see if there's a way I can get this plant. Start putting energy somewhere else. Yeah, and just see where it goes. Alright, so here we have it. This is the big tie hybrid that I overwintered. Let's see if it bounced back. This is the one I kept the leaves on. Let's see what happens.